Hello beautiful people, you're welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, you're welcome. This is the Bell Makeovers. Today I'm going to be showing you a way to wear your gele without all the pain that comes with tying it. I know many people usually don't like to wear gele because they will say it gives them headache, it hurts their ears, it just pains them. So many people can't stand it, but I want to show you a way you can wear your gele without actually tying it, without making it too tight, and at the same time it won't fall off and it will stay on your head all day till you're ready to remove it. So if you would like to learn how to tie your gele without all that tightness that comes with tying it, keep watching. For this gele, I'm actually making it a V shape at the front. So I'm making about 5 to 6 pleats, which I'm placing in a V shape on her forehead. I use the ratio 70-30. The 30, that's the shorter side, is on the right, and that's the end I'm pleating now that I'm placing at the back of her ear. I'm doing that so that by the time I cross it at the other side, it gives me a V shape. As usual, the shorter side comes up above the longer side, and I go to continue the pleats that I started in front. So I'm going to continue to pleat till it crosses the one I already made, forming a V shape. Then I'm going to pin it. That's the first step.
Counting up your sins, I keep a list and checking it twice. I know where you've been, I smell the sin, and you're looking nice. You can't bury me. You don't love a night. I'm still broken in the gutter. It's just me on my side, but I leave you with the shudder. I got goals you don't wanna know. I got goals you don't wanna grow. Trying to forget I'm in your head, shudder up your spine. Try not to choke, a funny joke when you say you're mine. Lost your control, think you're alone, I'm still in your mind.
The next step will be to bring forward the longer side and continue forming our pleats. So I'm going to make about 4 to 5 pleats, and you have to make sure that it covers where you pinned. The pin should not show at all. So you continue to make the pleats till you get to the other end. For some people, they find it easier to pleat the whole gele before going to secure it at the back, while for me, I pleat just the first 4 or 5 pleats first, and I secure it at the back before going to work on the remaining part of the gele. It's just easier for me that way. So what I'm doing now is I'm pleating the first 4 to 5 pleats all the way to the back. I pick a bit of the gele, that's from, you'll see what I'm saying now. I pick the part that I pleated and I secure it. I just pull it to make sure that it is firm, it's not loose on the person's head, and then I twist it and I secure with a pin. Please secure with as many pins as necessary. I used 2 pins to secure that part, but you can use more if you feel that you need to. And also try to make sure that your gele is firm before you pin. You can see the way I try to pull it to make it firm. So what we are trying to do is to make our gele firm without being unnecessarily tight. That's the idea. So if it's not firm, it's going to be loose. It's going to be loose on your head. It's not going to stand well. It can fall, but you just need to make it firm enough to stand, and then you pin. That's the whole idea, so that you don't feel any pain. Once I'm done pinning that, then I go back to the front to finish working on the remaining part of the gele. So I'll finish my pleats and then repeat the same process. Very simple. Just keep watching. If you would like to see a well detailed gele tutorial, I'll leave the link in the description box and also in the video here, so you can go and watch how to tie a regular round gele. Now is a good time to like this video. If you've not liked it already, please go and like this video, and also leave a comment in the comment section for me. Let me know if you like this style of tying your gele. Will you be trying it for yourself or for somebody? Let me know in the comment section. And also, let me know the kind of look you would like me to create. I would have posted the video of how I created this look, but unfortunately I lost it. So let me know what other looks you would like to see, and I will be sure to recreate them. Also, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any video when I post it. Please follow me on Instagram as well at the Bell Makeovers. Let's connect there. Thank you.
You can bury me. You don't love or not. I'm still broken in the gutter. It's just me on my side, but I leave you with the shudder. With the shudder. I got goals you wanna know. Night, counting up your sins, I keep a list and checking it twice. I know where you've been, I smell the sin, and you're looking nice. You can't bury me. You don't love or not. I'm still broken in the gutter. It's just me on my side, but I leave you with the shudder. With the shudder. I got goals you don't wanna know. I got goals you don't wanna grow. Trying to forget I'm in your head, shatter up your spine. Try not to choke, a funny joke when you say you're mine. Lost your control, think you're alone, I'm still in your mind.
So once I finish pleating the rest of the gele all the way to the back, I twist and pin. This time around, I don't need to pull the gele to make it firm, because the first one I did has already secured the gele for me. So I just need to pin this one as many times as possible, that's all. And then the remaining excess at the back, I also pin it, and that's it for our gele. No pain, no stress, easy gele, and it's not going to fall off. It's going to stay till you are ready to remove it. I hope you really enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, let me know in the comment section, and let me know what other gele styles you would like to see. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video very soon. Bye.
Counting up your sins, I keep a list and checking it twice. I know where you've been, I smell the sin, and you're looking nice.